Good morning. Thank you very much for joining us, Doctor. I would just like to congratulate you first for a successful summit. I know everybody had provided their opinion regarding the Huawei's digital transformation as a key takeaways of what the summit is all about.
Okay, thank you very much. Yesterday we have this Innovation and Transformation Summit. Many thought leaders and executives from telco, they really share their digital transformation ideas and practice. For the digital transformation, it really should repositioning about telcos business role and change their mindset and operation mode in the future digital world. Sometimes people will say this is a digital thinking. There are several key attributes or features about that. First of all, I think for the digital native thinking should be ecosystem native thinking. We should put the customer, the end user, in the center of this ecosystem. Around the customer, there are so many engaged parties working together with telco to build out such kind of ecosystem. Open, innovative, collaborative as the key words within such kind of environment. This is also why Huawei released our digital inCloud ecosystem. We gathering many developers, many distributors working together with telco to enhance telco's future digital ecosystem. Secondly, I think should be experience driven the native. So that means the customers demanding customers experience is the most important driver to push whole business ecosystem around. So that's why Huawei have such kind of roads concept. So it's roads, real time, on demand, or online, DIY and social is the very nature and basic requirement of the experience of the end user. And the third thing I think for the digital native thinking, I think it's data native. When the service or the contact information should be awareness by this digital service, and this digital service will collect data to the policy center or such kind of big data engines. For the telco and all the engaging party within this environment should leverage such kind of big data engine, collect from every touch point of the customer, then leverage such kind of data native thinking, we should rebuild about the digital service. And fourth one, I think it will be in the operation levels, closed loop automation. This looks like we build up a new generation of the business automation compared with before. So that's why Huawei released our BES strategy, business enabling system, as a new business automation system. And from the technical perspective, I think for the digital thinking should be cloud native, that all such kind of business applications should be running on the cloud native environment. So this is my roughly ideas about how to define the digital native thinking.
And we can see that there will be a lot of challenges along the way. And as Huawei, what do you think will be the main thing that would bring us all together to have a win-win transformation towards the digital?
First of all, I think for telco, when they build up their ecosystem, they really lack of the B2B or backward business connection with their partners. But now they shifting the focus from value chain model to the digital value fabric, working in a new kind of business environment. They are not very easy to change their mindset. Secondly, I think their organization is lack of the innovation capability. So that's why I also would like to emphasize that facing for this challenge, telco should be more open to ecosystem partners. And the third challenge is, I think, don't have the anchor service to let end user to pay more time on or pay more money on. And the fourth one, I think, for telco is lack of the digital native operation technology stack. So that's why I think for these challenges, Huawei's digital inCloud ecosystem and the Huawei BES operation technology stack will help them to overcome such kind of challenges. So Huawei would like to act as the trusted partner to go through the long-term digital transformation journey with telco and also with our partners together.
Thank you very much, Doctor, for your time today. Thank you very much for sharing us your insight.
Thank you very much, Janice.